Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making stovetop stuffing waffles. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to turn our old boring turkey sandwiches after the holidays into something incredible. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now go ahead and follow the instruction that is on the stovetop stuffing box. Add your water to a large pot. Add your butter. Now allow this to come to a boil. Now that it is boiling, go ahead in with your stuffing. Now cover, remove from heat and let it stand for 5 minutes. While we wait, go ahead and whisk 2 eggs into a bowl. Before adding in your eggs, make sure that your stuffing has come to room temperature. Go ahead and mix that in. This is how it's looking after combining the eggs with the stuffing. That looks great. So now, go ahead and turn your waffle maker on. Drizzle some oil. After adding in your oil, add your stuffing. My waffle is ready, so now I just need to remove it, and I'm going to continue the same process for the rest. I am super excited for this sandwich. Now that my waffles are ready, take your cranberry sauce and add it to your waffle. Add your turkey. Now place your other waffle on top. Hello guys, so my stovetop stuffing turkey sandwich is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? And this is how you level up your turkey sandwich after the holidays. And I cannot wait to enjoy this. That's good. I can't say anything else about this sandwich. All I know is you'll never make your turkey sandwiches after the holidays any other way besides this. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.